This video is sponsored by Value Testers. For a complete line of specialty work-related tools, biggest selection, and best pricing, when you need to upgrade your tools, think Value Testers. Create a free login for best pricing. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is August 21st, 2018. This one here, I got a call from a lady, an older lady, broken English, that she got a leak and her ceiling fell down. She don't know where the leak's coming from, so on our way over there now to see what's going on. Sounded like there was a lot of damage there from what she was saying. So said it's in the boiler room. So I don't know. I try not to rush to judgment till I get there and see what's going on and assess the situation. And you know, one step at a time here. See if I try to get some shots when I get there. If it's something interesting, I'm sure it'd be something crazy. When you think you've seen it all, there's another day at work. It's always something new. I always see different things, stuff I never seen before. Just how it is. Try to get some shots. What's above us here? A sink? Is there any water on the floor upstairs?
No, there's nothing. No, I don't, that's what I was wondering.
Well, we have to go take a look upstairs.
Yeah.
You know, so the water is okay.
This thing was filled up this morning, and that one had not so much. So it's just coming. This one is coming.
Oh, I see. It's dripping. It's dripping right here.
Oh yeah. Oh,
we're gonna go up see what's upstairs there, ma'am. What's above us here?
The kitchen.
A kitchen. All right. Let's go take a look. How do we get up there?
Keep going.
That's the kitchen right there. I'm just trying to get a bearing on where I am when I go upstairs, so I know where to look.
Oh, okay. So the kitchen is right up. Okay.
That's the kitchen right there.
Yeah, I think so. Or is it out? Yeah, it's.
All right, we're getting a bearing now. Where's the stairs over here?
Over here. So then you're going.
Okay, so it's basically right over there. Well, where we're gonna be, right?
Yeah, so on the kitchen's behind that wall.
Oh, okay. Let's start the kitchen then. Try to get a bearing from where, so when I come up here, I know where to look, right? Well, there's a bathroom, could be coming from this too. This.
There's no water coming out anywhere. I thought it might be the washing machine or something, but I don't think it is.
You got an ice maker for this thing? Could be this.
The ice maker is not working, just I noticed yesterday.
All right, well let's pull it out. It might be the ice maker leaking.
Do you think that might be?
I think so. Machine wasn't working, right?
Just like in the last few days, yeah.
Yeah, so that was a good sign. Hang on, don't pinch my fingers.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Let me do it.
Okay, yeah. I'm not going to really follow these weights. Are you from Dartmouth? Living in Dartmouth?
Yeah. Where are you from? Russia?
Russia.
You got that accent.
Well, gee, that's the first. Somebody once asked me if I was from New York, and I thought that was funny, but yours is better.
Oh, I don't see it. Well, there's water there, ma'am.
Is there much?
Yeah, there's water in the back there. I see it wet. I bet you. See the water?
Ah, I do.
There it is.
Just a small thing like that.
Well, you can see it unless it's coming from the next side. See it? See all the water here?
If it had come out under the fridge, I would have paid more attention, but it's dried up. While you're there, can I just? I'll sweep it out in your car.
You got a bad refrigerator here. I mean, the thing's flipping leaking. I don't see. It's not the water pipe.
It's not the water
but
pipe?
It's the refrigerator.
Oh, so I need a new fridge, you're saying?
I don't know, but that's where there's water there. See that stain?
Yeah.
You said the ice machine wasn't working, you said, right?
Yeah, I just noticed this a few days ago. I never thought of looking under the house.
It seemed like it was dripping from a water pipe somewhere, though. We're gonna need to keep checking. Fill it here.
I did get his number in, and he said he didn't know what was wrong with it, so I said I'd for that. So I put those trays in just to save it. Anything?
Thing seems all buckled and stuff.
That's maybe my fault, pushing the stuff in on top of it.
No, I don't think so.
No?
No, it don't seem wet, but...
Do you need a lighter? Oh, more lighter.
Alright. Definitely something's leaking over there. I mean, you got a bathroom on the second floor, maybe?
Above here, yeah, I've got the bathroom upstairs.
Okay, so the water line runs all the way over.
I didn't see any water in those cabinets.
A water issue.
Back, yeah.
See it?
I can see it, you're between the floorboards and...
You can see it's been buckling and whatnot, you know?
Yeah. Have to get all that dust out before
Yeah, it's definitely wet. See it right here? Look at my
I'll
hands.
take your word for it.
See it?
I can't bend, if I bend down, I can't get up.
No, you see it right here?
Yeah, I can.
See this water?
I can see bits.
You want
of
to feel
it.
feel it? Yeah,
Yeah,
see?
I can feel it around the place there.
So this isn't, this solenoid's not leaking. It's the refrigerator.
Cleaned out or something, you know, the thing in the back, does that need to be...
You'd have to call Stan and Paul's. They got an appliance department, Stan and Paul's.
And they'll clean it out?
They'll tell you what the problem is. So that's the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
That's been leaking for a while.
Excuse me.
Now there's also
It's been dripping,
there's
you know,
also
I didn't even
there's also
know.
water pipes going up in this wall here.
Yeah.
That'd probably go into the second floor.
Yeah, do you know, I called the water people and they gave me your number. But they said they couldn't come around for a week or so. And I thought, well, bloody hell, you know, why couldn't they come around?
All right, unless we want to measure from this wall over and we can see exactly where that is.
Yeah.
Because you said this was full.
This one was full.
Yeah. All right, let me get my tape measure. We'll measure over, and then we'll see. Okay. See it dripping?
Yeah, I saw it there a second ago.
Yep. It's the washing machine. See it? See it dripping?
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh.
It's the washing machine valve.
Oh, so what do I have to call Stan and Paul then?
No, you called the right guy. I'm gonna take care of it for you.
Oh, good. Thank you very much. Yeah.
I got one in the truck. I got one in the truck.
Sorry.
I can see it dripping. So you said you called the water department. They told you to call me.
What?
You called the water department. They told you to call me.
Well, I thought it might be something to do with them, you know, because the pipes on the ceiling and all that. But take it to your number.
Okay.
Because I thought it was something to do with I mean, I don't know what the hell is going on down there, you know? So I assumed it was something to do with whatever.
Oh, it's been dripping for a while, so.
I have no idea what's down there in that place. The roof. That place down there is like
It's like a dungeon.
a puzzle to me, a big puzzle. I have no idea what's going on.
Oh.
Sorry, I'm just going to get this clean out behind the fridge.
Oh, am I in your way, ma'am?
No, that's fine, thank you. I'm in your way. Oops.
I want to see it dripping before I shut the water off. Get a picture of it. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Might be a hose bad. Not wet behind the washing machine. Oh, I know that for sure because I looked already. Oh, she's a crusty one. Look at that. Probably leaking from the flipping hoses. Wow, it's leaking from the hoses. Ain't no good. Ain't no flipping good. Leaking from the hoses. She wants to sell the house. God, the flipping hoses are leaking. Your hoses are leaking.
Are they? Oh, do you have hoses? No?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, you have everything? Oh, that's great. Thanks.
Yeah, unless they're just loose. They could be loose as a goose. Probably just flipping loose. They could be loose. They don't look, the hoses don't look too bad. We'll see. It's loose. That's something. You want me to just tighten them if they're loose, or you want me to change them? Madam.
Sorry, what did you say?
The hoses are just loose. You want me to just tighten them, or you want me to change them?
I'll change them, I think. Would you better?
Yeah, better off with no burst. Yeah, I'll put some no burst hoses on there. This way here, they won't blow. Okay? Let me get some good ones out of the truck.
Yeah, I think I might as well put something in that won't...
Yeah, because something like that, I mean, you could have problems. Alright, let me get some good ones out of the truck and we'll switch them out for you. We'll get the old switcheroo now. Alright, the hoses are leaking, so I gotta change the hoses. That's what the problem is. I did tighten them, but they were loose. We'll put new ones on there for her. Make sure they're not gonna leak if I put the cover on. This is a tight spot, but they're not leaking, so we're good. Unbelievable. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, do you guys have a service charge here to see what's wrong with the toilet? Do you like have a fee?
1 hour minimum.
Okay. Because my toilet for some reason isn't flushing and it's not clogged. Do you know when can you guys come up here soon or
Tomorrow.
what's the schedule like?
Tomorrow. I could do something tomorrow.
Yeah, I can't wait till then. Okay.
Good luck. Wants me to work for free. I ain't working for free. Reading on. That should take care of the leak. Put the drain holes back in there. Like that, so can't pop off. Do you shut it off when you're done? Alright, that should do it. Alright, so I think that's where the leak was leaking down the wall here. This is back to the refrigerator. I think that's what the problem was. I think that's our problem. So I can put new hoses on it. The valve's still good. And we'll see if it dries out. I look down here, I don't see any water. So it was leaking in the wall.